Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com. What a joy it is to play this vintage Steinway that was just masterfully rebuilt in New York by Cantabile Pianos, one of the finest rebuilders in the country. In 2016, this piano with Steinway hammers, Renner action, pin block, the works. And I've got three selections to show you the beauty of the tone. And what's remarkable, I'll tell you what is most remarkable about this piano, about the soundboard, in a minute. First, here's some Bach for you. This is the second movement of his E minor Toccata. Such a rich tone. Here's the amazing thing. This soundboard is original, and it not only has no cracks, it has no repairs. A piano from 1902 with a soundboard with excellent crown and tone that has endured the ages like this is really one in a million. What a rare find, and makes such a great piano to restore to its original glory with all the precision parts of the German action and the Steinway hammers and all the rest of it. So let's have some other music. This is actually the trio section, the minuet section of the Minuet and Trio, the second movement of the famous Alla Turca sonata of Mozart. But I'm going to play you the minuet for you. By the way, such a great sonata. Everybody knows the famous last movement. But the whole sonata is great. I'm going to be recording it soon, so watch out for that for you Mozart lovers. And so I'm going to mention, by the way, that the action is so fluid. Have you ever played a stiff Steinway that they're hard to play? This piano is just so inviting with that warm tone, and it looks gorgeous as well. A new damper felt. I mean, you can go to the website, livingpianos.com, and have a complete report of everything done to this piano. But let's have one final piece that shows what this piano can do. This is just a section just before the Coda of Chopin's fourth Ballade is F minor Ballade. And then comes the spectacular Coda for another day for you. And that's another piece I'm going to be recording soon. If you're a Chopin lover and a Mozart lover, I got lots of music for you. I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store, your online piano resource. Questions, bring them to me. I make videos for you all the time, and I love having your questions. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.